no. That was a weird sound.
Tom Crown in the house, crypto analyst is dead. Making moves, dropping knowledge every single day. Videos hitting 100K subscribers, strong Bitcoin level bullish vibes, we can't go wrong. Bullish vibes, we can't go wrong. Analyzing charts with precision, he's got the vision. Spotting trends, predicting gains, making the right decision. Tom Crown in the bullish corner, he's the king. Educating the masses, bringing that crypto bling. Jet Pow, Tom Crown on the scene. Crypto analyst is dead. Hitting the train.
What is up, dudes? It's Monday. It's Monday. And we're getting a little pampy. A little bit of pamp is coming our way. Feeling good. Man, finally. It was not the most eventful weekend for price action, but things are starting to wrap up and get a little bit better. It is Monday, and so we have our comprehensive, in-depth, expert analysis on the markets and the update for said market. Shout out to Poppy, my guy. Coming in clutch. Ooh, coming in clutch. Ooh, coming in clutch. Writing these every week. We appreciate you. If you're interested in writing for crownanalysis.com, have your articles published. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Send me a message and follow Poppy on Twitter because he deserves it. If you could, guys, please caress that like button. You know I am a YouTuber, and if I don't get enough likes every single stream, YouTube sends ninjas out to take me. So please don't let them take me. I want to live. I have a will, and we're going to get through it, especially with these candles being green. There's just something about it. So let's jump into it here. A few updates on these. We're doing them a little differently, always evolving. A look at the current trend. There we go. There we go. Look at the current trend. Poppy looking for some short-term downside price action. Has he gone full bearish on us? No, he hasn't. Poppy looking for what could be a larger inverse head and shoulders playing out. I think that's a valid take on analysis. So basically, let's look at our near-term forecast. Short-term bullish potential based on recently accommodating economic data and, most importantly, in my opinion, the easing from the Fed via the FOMC. Currently, we're ranging from about 60 to 70K with a small upside break from a bull flag last week that didn't go anywhere until this morning. Very, very spicy. Poppy writes, or the author writes, that most likely they believe that consolidation through the summer is the likely price action. Now, that is definitely possible and would line up almost too perfectly with every other summer we've seen over the last 4 or 5 years. So not a bad take. Momentum data like ADX and MACD show momentum rounding at a bottom of this range. Sentiment sometimes volatile, incredibly volatile. We were full bull 2 months ago, then pretty much full bear over the last 5 weeks. What are you guys feeling now? Are you feeling bullish or bearish? It's important info. Swinging sharply with short-term price action on chain remains fairly muted with no clear low time frame directional bias, though the chart may be giving us that now. Overall, a thesis for Poppy is that a mid-cycle consolidation and chop appears the most likely. I agree. That's the most likely outcome. I'm not going to call for it, but that is the most likely outcome. That's what we've seen time and time again. So 2 scenarios for the remainder of 2024. And we have this beautiful bullish bearish bar. Winter sideways, summer with no sustained breakout. This aligns with historic trends and timelines for diminished returns and lengthened cycles, which I do not believe in. I think it's a bunch of malarkey. Later in Q3, the odds of a Fed pivot increase. I would say they increase, I'd say around Q4, but risk assets begin to rally and cycle peak Q4 or between Q4 24 and H1 25. The other scenario is that the ETF approvals in the US and now Hong Kong accelerate the crypto cycle, leading to a rally beginning as early as, well, it could already be rallying right now, and a cycle peak late this year. We actually have some updates on some of those on-chain metrics. They've been very stagnant, but bullishly leaning or biased, so solid. Of course, nothing is a guarantee, never is. Historically, the post 10 months after having grown increasingly bullish, the ETF flows begin to rise again, and we even saw GBTC inflows finally after what seemed like forever. And the latest FOMC reinforcing this bias. Now, Coinbase app still not anywhere near the top of the rankings, but still elevated, and on-chain data has not yet peaked, but is also elevated into early mid-bull cycle. Bear case, Fed may not taper rates. The US election could introduce divisive political and geopolitical tensions. I mean, it's the same stuff. We know this. There's a lot going on in the world, and at any time we could get something negative. You know, nobody saw 2020 coming. Promising narratives remain pretty much the same. If you want to look at this article in depth, you can go to crownanalysis.com. I'm just going to go through the goodies for you. Cycle forecast, here we go. On-chain market health. This is what I wanted to get to before we jump into the chart. It's taking a little breather for us. Bad Baptist, don't you put that evil on me, man. He said as soon as we go live, the rally will stop. Don't you put that on me. Below is a list of popular data points that indicate whether we are near cycle ranges, or at least they have historically. This has been summarized greatly. Supply of Bitcoin on exchanges. Year to date, bullish. You really can't fight it, can't say anything else about it. You can remain bearish, but you cannot say that the supply on exchanges has not trended bullishly. And even over the last week, we have seen nearly a 2% drop in supply. Actually, that's since March, but we saw one of the biggest drops on exchange supply over the weekend. We'll see, it's on this. Newpool was neutral with a weak bullish bias. Year-to-date performance, bullish. Topping signal, an additional no, about 20% away from historical range highs. MVRV, market cap to realized cap, remains neutral this week with a slight move up, and year-to-date bullish. Pretty much across the board, we are seeing weekly bullish signals, except for on minor position index. Weekly bearish as minor sell pressure rose to the highest levels in a month. I think that's pretty expected after having, with minor selling consolidating or coinciding with the peak at 67K, but still remains bullish over the year. Now, Bitcoin is starting to move, so I'm going to wrap this up. Bitcoin net flow, 7-day bullish. We had the largest outflow since November 2023. Here's that November 2023 outflow. Of course, we had a bigger one, I guess, right before that, October. Moving on over to today, there it is. This outflow, or Bitcoin leaving exchange, eclipsing a lot of time, a lot of net flows in. That is a very bullish signal on my book. The dollar remains threatening to everything. I'm just summarizing so fast so we can get to the chart, man. Bitcoin at 68.3. Dollar still threatening everything. We're going to take a look at that chart in a little bit. We'll go more into it. Market sentiment remains, I'd say it's a little bit bullish. Coinbase app moderately up in the last week. Google trends remain very low for Bitcoin. Meme coins may be stealing some of that search volume this round. Institutions, I think Poppy's basically speculating here that people looking for Bitcoin or Ethereum on Google are likely not institutional traders, and they're largely retail. And by this metric remaining low, he is speculating that retail is the ones doing this, not institutionals at the moment. Now, meme coins, this is a bonkers search trend history. Searches for meme coins continue to slide off of their March highs, but those March highs were all-time highs, and it remains to be seen if this continues up or if meme coins are rotating out for the next cycle hype event. That wouldn't surprise me. I think people at this point, specifically on Solana, which is the next one we'll look at, I think they're a little fed up. The more I look on Reddit, on the Solana subreddit, the more posts I see kind of being the anti-culture to degenerate meme coining. I don't know, maybe it's just natural equilibrium. Solana searches. We're going to start looking at some more terms here because they're more spicy on on the search history. Solana searches are currently down, and it looks honestly like a mix between Bitcoin and meme coins here, with a peak in March that has settled back down since. Solana did log some, I would say, some upside actually. We'll take a look at that chart very shortly. However, it remains seen if this is just a small bounce or the end of the hype. Who knows? Probably the former. Ethereum appears to be similar to Bitcoin, just lesser of a high. There's really very little Ethereum hype going on now, according to search histories or search volumes. And that actually lines up pretty well with the sentiment around here. I would say 2-3 years ago, Ethereum was spoken almost as much as Bitcoin in our little live streams. And now it seems like people are kind of souring on Ethereum as it's struggling to gain upside traction. Dominance is the big player, Bitcoin dominance. We'll look at this chart, and I just want to jump out of this and get to the charts because stuff's moving. I did miss 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐼 speaking yesterday, but it was a pre-recorded commencement thing. I hope nothing important was said. I kind of doubt there was. But into this week, we see, let's see, NZD interest rate decision, global rate decisions coming in, going to impact that Dixie strength. CPI for Britain, existing home sales, crude, FOMC minutes on Wednesday, so make sure you tune in as we cover those live when they come out, 2 p.m. East. It's going to be a good time. Thursday, initial jobless claims, S&P, U.S. manufacturing, global services, new home sales, and then a light Friday lunch of German GDP and durable good orders. So shout out to Poppy again, my friends. Follow him, give him all the credit for writing these awesome articles for us every week and keeping us in the know. If you are joining us, you'll see this little subscriber count. If you're not subscribed, hit that button and make that thing spin over. Help us break that 110,000 subscriber resistance. All right. I am going to do a breakdown on the corn, but I want to get a little bit of tunes going here. Hold up. A little bit of tunes. I'm going to be reading the chat first, and then we're going to do the corn. Ooh. There we go. How's that audio? Pickle? Pickle, good audio, bad audio? Let me know. I'll tune it. I will make it right. Pulling up the chats now. We got a few hundred viewers on the main stream. I'm going to put the vertical public. Hopefully you guys don't all get notifications again. That'd be annoying, but you probably will. Good volume. Thank you, sir. Hey, Pego, my guy, audio great. What's up, Taylor? How you doing, Pest Killers? Sounds perfect. Thank you, Priest. What's up, Craig? Ace of Hearts. Sure Crown. Sure Crown minutes on Wednesday. Audio about perfect. That's just luck. This is chance. So happy. Mary Beth, why are you happy? Is it because you're getting that dopamine back? That sweet, sweet green candle dopamine? I'm right here with you, darling. Nice ambiance. Thank you. Good. Perfect. Perfect. When there's music playing, my brain subconsciously is avoiding the silence less. So I think that will lead to more coherent speech. What's up, Ariel? Good to see you, Ariel. How have you been? Crypto Steve O. What's up, man? What's up? Are you going to Austin? By the way, I am going to be going to Austin, Texas, June 1st. Not so much for consensus, but Bitmain has invited me down. They're flying me out to have some chat. Bitmain being the ASIC manufacturer. So it should be a good time. If you're in Texas, let me know. Or if you're going to consensus, let me know. What's up? What's up? What's up, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞? Hello, my inspiration. You're my inspiration, 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞. Mr. Blank, MBF Forum, my guy. How you doing? Dr. Crypto, 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐿𝐴. How you doing, brother? About time we moved up. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. What's up, 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐿𝐴, Maddox, IMT? We got some energy going. Are you feeling the energy today? Are you feeling the vibes? We should take a poll if this is actually a real rally or just a trap. Xenodermis, remember the last bull run, these techno tunes really helped the pump. Yeah, well, we need them. I think we need help. We need help on this pump, man. Just call you big. What's up? Birkir, Martinez, Lou, let's go. Matic, what's up, FK? 850 watching, let's keep that going. Julie the brain lady is back. We have, guys, now in the last just few minutes, I have seen multiple names return to us after a long hiatus. We welcome you back. If this is just a vacation back into the charts, that's fine as well, but it's good to see. It's always a great signal or indicator to me when we see some of these old names return. Great to see you, Julie. Big Short, what's up, my friend? Tim Johnson, Greg, Savchuk, Lion, Boss is calling you. That's okay, brother. If you gotta go, you gotta go. It's all good in the hood. What's up, Warren? Adam S. Time to rip. I'm feeling a little bit of rippy. Are you guys feeling a little bit of rippy? The corn is looking kind of rippy. So let's jump. I meant to do this already. Go into this. Oh no, wait. My subscribers thing is gone. There we go. I don't even know if I ever want to stream without this counter. I love this counter. It's like my favorite thing. I like how in real time it moves. It makes me happy. Makes me happy when this thing rolls over. It's fighting. 109,515. We keep going to 15, back to 14. That's okay. What's up, Chris Newton? Joining, adding to that number. Jim, Matt, Nelly, Reno, Averis, Tim Boss. We got a lot of new names. Good to see. Good to see YouTube actually serving our videos and our live streams to people. What's up, TM Young Devil? Do I trade Forex? Not as much, no. I follow Forex, don't really trade it. Stream looks weird. Johnny B, you're on the mobile stream. This is the mobile stream, if you can read this. There you go. That is meant only for the phones. If you want to join us on the main one, copy pasta that link over, but you can't really click links. There you are. There you go. What's up, Silent? Need to make a subscriber count to a chart. Yes. Well, there is actually a chart, but it's hard to TA. What's up, Christoph? Rajat, good to see. Albert Einstein's back. What's up, bro? 70K or 63K first? 70K is a smaller move. I'm gonna go there. Dom is now a confirmed crypto guy. Your friend's internet. Welcome to the club, bro. If you're watching this stream, there is a 67% chance that your friends refer to you as that crypto guy. You know, it just comes with the territory. The good news, though, is they'll call you that crazy guy, then they'll call you the crypto guy, then they'll call you that lucky guy. Once you get to that stage, once you're in the luck stage, that's how you know you made it. It's good stuff. I was there for many years. Many a year. Let's see. Let's take a look at this corn. What's the corn doing? It's doing good stuff. I put too much stuff on this morning. There we go. There we go. Let's take a peek here. Bitcoin, where you going? Let's start on the longer time frames. Thought it's about HBAR. We can look at HBAR then. They call you that Tom Crown sim guy. That's finally. Don't worry about what other people think, my friend. Your opinion is the only opinion that matters. Don't let them gaslight you into thinking their opinions matter. Only your opinion matters. Here we go. We'll start on the weekly here. Luck stage means you found some secret sauce. Yeah. You're known as the broke crypto guy. Hey, Duck. We all started out as the broke crypto guy, man. The goal, the dream is to get away from that. All right, really long time frames here. Weekly, on the week, we looked at this over the last, I don't know, 10 days or so. Bitcoin putting in a higher low versus early January of this year. However, RSI, or Relative Strength Index, also putting in a lower low right there on the higher low. So higher low in price, lower low in RSI. That is bullish divergence on the week. It's actually hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Last week finally closed. Oh, finally closed that weekly candle. Let's go. Where do we close at? 66,261. A beautifully bullish close for Bitcoin. Really, all we needed was 64,000. I just wanted to see a bullish engulf on the week close, and it looks like the bulls had a little bit extra sauce on there, a little more spice to put on the mix. This week already trading into a higher high. Bitcoin is going at the moment for, it's really just to confirm its first higher high since back in March. It is crazy how this price action has sapped the energy from the market. March was incredibly exciting, and over the course of the last 70 almost days, Bitcoin retraced almost 25%, but largely remained in this range. That's a beautiful weekly close. Like, let's go. Market Cipher B giving us a little green dot on momentum as VWAP rolls over. Market Cipher B looking favorably on this rally. MACD, after 3 weeks of increased selling momentum, signified here by these bright red bars, we're finally seeing in this week on a strong close, that momentum beginning to wane in strength and give way to the bulls. Giving it up. to the bulls, baby. Down on the daily, let's see. Actually, Poppy showed the 4-day, which I thought was dope because I was looking at this too. This is not a pattern. This isn't a thing, but I like this. I don't know. It's like an extended 3 rising methods. It's a green bodied candle with these tiny little red bodies that gets bullish engulfed higher than the close of the first green candle. So it's like a mega 3 rising methods, whatever it is. I like it. I like this very much. Let's take a look at the 4-day quick. 4-day apparently not paying attention to the last 70 days of trading. Money flow making higher highs. Momentum did dip into negative, but is now firmly back on the positive side. Another potential bullish divergence could be viewed there from that. Really strong MACD. Like, this is what you want, man. In a bull run for Bitcoin, this is what you want to see on MACD. You want to see that the basis line is what's called. Doesn't really matter. You want to see these lines not just make moves up, but you want to see them stair step away or continue to put distance away from that 0 line. Why? Just what we see in the past. That's just, you can observe it. That's what it looks like when we're full clear bull. And man, this is a 4-day time frame. Like, here we go. Just get farther and farther away. That's what we saw back in 21. Beautiful momentum here. Waning selling momentum, looking to roll over into that weekly as Bitcoin moves higher. I mean, that's gorgeous. I do want to check really quick here on the day. We're going to zoom down a little bit. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. Buddy, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. Shout out to our sponsor, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. You can get a free risk-free trial using my link. It's in the video description below. We looked at this like on Wednesday, I believe. It might have been Thursday last week. It was Thursday and stream Wednesday. Thursday, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝 giving us that long signal finally on the day. It has been so long. It's been so long. It's been 31 days since that one, that we had a green trend candle for 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝 signals and overlays. It has been, man, 40 days since we got that up arrow. We had, well done, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. We can see our resistance band here flipping on signals and overlays into support. That's good. Wow, we're looking to escape this downtrend. I like that. That's beauts. Daily is like, this is where my brain is stuck at. So daily money flow just rolled over. We had this beautiful inverse head and shoulders play out, sent momentum soaring. But man, you can see this momentum band's already starting to pinch, kind of losing that. I can interpret this as, well, maybe we're going to see a local swing high into another higher low, or maybe we're going to see this actually kick off and really push to the upside. That could widen that distance between those bands and could give us another signal of continuation. MACD, baby. Whew. Back to buying momentum. I will take it. I will take that all day, every day. There we go. Now the subscribers are coming in. What's going on, fam? I'm not getting any new names. It's not telling me. I don't know why. That's okay. Let's go. Dino Mike, you're over on the mobile stream, by the way. What's up, Naga? Sekar, how you doing, my friend? Maniac Killer. What's Ariel's problem? Ariel is a queen. What's up, Huffy? When altcoins? Altcoins. We'll look at dominance then. We don't have time to look at altcoins yet, guys. Bitcoin, as soon as we stopped doing the market update, took flight again. Now it's 68.5. Let's, you know what I need to do for myself, actually? Let's identify, well, 71.3. I've literally been saying I think price is going to go to 71.3 in May, the entire month. Doesn't look as crazy at this point, just retesting April's open after putting in a lower low, a nice little bottom wick on the May candle, 71.3K. I mean, it's just all, but it's there, it's coming. I will eat my hat live on stream if it doesn't go to 71.3 today. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to eat any kind of clothing live on stream, but I'll say that I will. That is a monthly, also a weekly horizontal level was our highest weekly close. That's going to be the goal. That's going to be the target, man. If this week really puts the pedal to the floor and we can see it close above 71.3, that's green light for further. Green light into the 80s, 90s, maybe $100,000 mark. Let's use our fib tool here. our measured move using our 75K high to 56-ish low. Our Fibonacci extension, our measured move gives us 96.6K all day. I would take that. That would be beautiful. Let's go down low. Wow. Look at this. I talk about RSI and indicators a lot in ways I know a lot of people don't. People fear overbought or oversold. Nah, man. Look at this. This is just down on the 1 minute, so this is not going to influence much. But look at RSI. Look at its bias towards not only overbought, but just to stay above that 50 RSI line. That's one of, in my opinion, the clearest signals of a trending market. Let's go to the 5. Same thing on the 5 minute here. RSI staying nice and high, nice and overbought. That's what we want. If we want a big move up, if we want to see 71.3 this week, we gotta keep that RSI up. We gotta keep overbuying. 15 minute, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I think we have more upside just based on these 2 time frames. Maybe I shouldn't get ahead of myself. 15 minutes still looking good as well. Nice solid 15 minute candle momentum. Absolutely gorgeous on the MACD. Does not get more gorgeous. RSI hitting new highs in the 30 minute, avoiding bear div. That momentum. Yeah, we got more upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's put a new poll. I'm closing that poll. Thanks for voting. Voting this one. Where does this pump end? New all-time high. New all-time high. Dang. 68.6. We're not done. We're not done. Man, there's like not even a lot in between here and 71.3. It's like, here's a high. This was at 67. That was your rejection point. That was the fake out in the last 2 days. You don't really have anything till right here, 71.3. 71.3. Let's just say pumps over now, and that's at 68.6. There we go. Vote away. Vote away. Today you're on the vertical. Go get that money. Go for it, Smokeser. My guy. Appreciate you. Bad Saf, you're over there on the vertical stream too. If you guys want to join us on the main one, feel free. 69K typical small pullback. Of course. I mean, even if we just do this, even if we do this today, we'll be seeing little bouncy pullbacks. Man, I'm feeling it. 5 minute wants to lift off again. Let's go. Let's do it. Send it. If you could hype up that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Like this guy. Watch and know Dr. Shabir Khan. Welcome, my friend. Easy Life by RK joining for our little Bitcoin pump going on. Good to see you, Patty Chandra, Ramon Labouche, Hoover JM. I saw Naga subscribed. What's up, my guy? Chris Newton. Many more beautiful names coming, I have a feeling. All right. Got my little low time frame done. Hourly could look better, but still looking at that upside. Real quick here, gonna graze through 4 hour, kind of janky actually. A little potential issue evolving in front of us as this price action unfolds live. RSI here on the 4 hour still considerably below May 15th's rally. May 15th's high here. Potential bear div However, settling above said close and now pushing higher. That's gorgeous. That is a strong climb, man. That's a beautiful, strong climb. What is this starting to look like? All right, let me pull up the chat. I'm starting to get kind of deja vu with this candle setup. Maybe it's a fractal. Maybe it's recent price action. Is anyone feeling that? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Do you get that vibe? What is it that I'm looking for? What is it that this reminds me of? Is it back here? Is it this? Is this what it reminds you of? Tell me, chat. Keeping it real, thank you, Ed. That's all I do, baby. My headphones just turned off. Is OctaFX a fake app for India? It's always better to assume it is. Always better to assume something's a scam in crypto. Why did my headphones turn off? I don't know. The music's still playing, right? Connected. There we go. It's back on. Elliott Wave 5 coming. Is this it? I think this is it. It's like the fall, lower high, lower low, lower high, fall, wick, climb back up, and then it's like little move, flag. Is this where we're at, boys? The music is musicking. Beautiful. Beautiful days. Don't you just feel better when candles are green? Like, isn't life just great? Like, food tastes better, air smells cleaner, water is more delicious. Everything's better. This is the dopamine addiction we've given ourselves. Looks like the fractal of the last 4 years. No, I don't know what it is. Dead batteries, yeah, but it shouldn't. I don't know. These are new headphones on Y2K. I actually tagged them in the YouTube shop, so there should be a thingy at the bottom of the stream. These are wonderful headphones. They don't make me look like a Cyberman. That's why I like them. What's up, Mohammed? A name in a language that I do not know how to pronounce nor say, but I welcome you. No, not well, that one as well, but the other one. This one. I see Mo Saw subscribed to many others. Let's get this up. Let's get this 109.5 to 109.6. Let's pump it with the corn. Bump it up. There we go. You shorted what it is called Pandu. Pandu. It is Sennheiser. Sennheiser. Pindle and Pith. 420, let's go. Yes. No, Watney, we need to get 420 likes on this. Can you please lend your thumb on the weekly? Okay. How's gold doing? Gold, well, if you, I think I need to get you on the payroll, man, because I need someone to toss me that softball to transition into the next chart I have pulled up. I have been yelling about gold going to a new all-time high. I will admit here I was wrong. On Friday, while we were streaming, I said, I think gold hits an all-time high today, and that was Friday. Unfortunately, it did not. It did not hit it on Friday. Wait, why is there no Friday candle? That's weird. Either way, today gold did hit a new all-time high as predicted, but a little bit later than the prediction. Looking at gold on a low time frame, this looks absolutely beast. This is the hourly. You can see these lows starting to fit a parabolic curve, looking very, very fine, actually. Looking very fine. Let's add this on here. Fitting a parabolic curve. There we go. But you can see these lows not just coming up, but each low coming up more. Each low higher relative to the last low. I don't know. Parabolic. Into a new all-time high, and this is looking very, very good still. Very, very good still. A return to 2,400 on gold might be the play. Might be the play, especially if we see this rally intraday fail or hit a lower high. We could see something like this returning to our newly created all-time high. I think that was like the monthly close of 2,400. But if that does happen, I would not fear it. That's likely the entry, if it even comes. Gold Taking no prisoners here, and Peter Schiff could not be happier. You know what I love? When Peter Schiff tweets but doesn't tweet about Bitcoin. Like when he just tweets about gold. I love it. I'm like, yeah, man, I can get behind that. But then he's just got to throw in the Bitcoin stuff. And then you're like, buddy, you just sound so terrible. You sound awful. Anyway, looking to the upside using our local fib extension, 2331 for gold. Measured move target sits at 2600. Those are great targets for this week. I could see gold trading, honestly, I could see gold trading to 2600 this week. Looking at the weekly, what's good? Everything's good, man. Let's go. After a 10-year chilling, gold finally waking up. It's wild though. Think about this. How much did inflation, like realistically, how much inflation did we experience right here from March 2020 to today, right? I would argue like 100%, like everything like 100% went up. Gold remained sideways through all that inflation, ranging just at its all-time highs, down to 1700. You would have expected this to double just based on everything. I don't know. Hopefully gold has a big rip. I think gold, whether it's this year or next year, I think gold's going to have just a face melting rally at some point. We're going to see it put on gains that it's like never put on. And then it'll probably never do that again in our lifetime. It'll be like the one time and it'll be over. I don't know. I'm a gold bull. I like gold, but as a millennial crypto guy, just why would I don't know. Why would I ever buy gold? Ooh, we just broke the 1,000 viewer mark. 1,000 concurrent live viewers on the main stream. Let's go, boys. Make sure you hype that like button, share the stream out, subscribe, keep it going. That's how we got so many today. What's up, Sadka1 Gracha? Good to see you. The next chart, and we will get into more crypto. GME, I want to keep following GME for a while. I really hope that just by saying GME over and over and over again in the streams and putting it in the title, that some of those GME people find our channel. Because GME people, we're what you're looking for. This is what you're looking for. You're trying to operate, you're trying to beat the system that is rigged against you. That is an admirable goal. I applaud it. But there are better vehicles to do that. Trying to defeat the system using the tools in the system is going to be a harder battle. Bitcoin was designed to do exactly this. GME people, hear our call. If you buy and hold old Bitcoin, nobody can just snap their fingers and create shares for you. But anyway, my prediction here coming true slowly. 1750 for GME, the exact place where it started. That's not great. Hasn't reached it yet. It left a large gap from 1750 to 25 bucks. That started to be filled in. We still have an open gap above. Likely something like this after that 1750 hit. Look for like 30. In fact, I'm going to put a trade. Let's see how this looks. I like that. Boom. Just like that. 1750. Now the problem is this. This was a crazy rally. Wild. 550%. Put almost everything else to shame. There's a few issues. One, returning to 1750. While I do think it would give us an opportunity to long and likely scalp some profit, there's an issue. This will mean that this entire rally has retraced, which we know as chartists almost always leads to continuation, leads to further downside. Like that is not great. You don't want to see that. You want to see some kind of low hold, even if you have a really deep retracement. Losing that level, obviously going to be even worse. If you saw something like this, you could start seeing a head and shoulders pan out, etc. But so even with this 550% rally, GME didn't hit new all-time highs. Now that needs some context. It did get pretty close, $81. However, I believe in this time, GME underwent a stock split. Probably another rigged mechanic to wreck you guys, right? More shares. Stock split. So with this split, I don't remember what the split was. I should have done more homework, but I wanted to share this with you guys. I think it was like, nope, not even going to comment. But pre-split, I think it hit, well, it hit 80 last week, but pre-split, I think that was roughly its all-time high. Does anyone in chat know? Did any of the GME folks find their way here and are like, hey, I know that. Wizard hat pattern? You do not want the wizard hat pattern, man. That dangerous wizard hat. That is a wizard hat, though. Like, you're spot on with that. Spot on with that wizard hat. Hit the S symbol at the bottom. Doesn't have one. No, I know you mean. It doesn't have one. This was... Oh, okay. For the split. Thank you, man. Thank you, Demiels. I'm a crypto guy. I don't really mess with the stocks too often, and so these things I do not pay that much attention to. Stock split 4-1. 4-1. So what? Wait, if it split 4-1, that means that was a new all-time high, right? It was a new all-time high in market cap. Let's look at the price action after the split. Just down and then pump. Huh. I wonder, is there like GME market cap? I've never really heard anyone talk about market cap in stocks. No. I'm just gonna Google it. GME market cap. I think that's the play. GME market cap. Now, why is the market cap lower? Am I not looking at market cap, am I? Market cap 6 billion. This is not helpful. It's not showing me. Market capitalization, here we go. I guess not in 2021. How is that possible? How did they have a 4-1 stock split? Hit 11 billion in 21, and then only hit 6 billion, even though it hit 80. So you take 80 times 4. It'd be 320. That'd be a new all-time high. I don't know. Stocks are a scam. There you go. Like, long story short, stocks are a scam. Let's be real. Minor stocks, Mara Riot, doing well. Okay. All right. We had a nice chart on Mara for someone who super chatted a request a while ago. I haven't checked back in on it. It was 20 billion back then. What's going on? Yeah, use ChatGPT. Ayo. There we go. Mara. I mean, I'm not super stoked. This isn't that exciting for me. 25% gain. Okay. Maybe I misspoke. Our entry was good. Mara heading for that $23 mark. Ooh. Yeah, these are interesting. Interesting. resistance, and then I'd be looking for 50. Of course, just like with anything, once momentum starts, it sometimes can start snowballing, kind of getting ahead of itself, getting away. And you may not end up with these pullbacks. But $50 silver, man, that looks like that should have happened. Honestly, it looks like it should have happened back in 2020. Silver has spent a really long time doing not a lot. Look at this chart. The highest silver ever traded, we could say effectively, was in 1980 at $50. It touched that again in May 2011. Since then, to put in a higher low, this is looking tight. Silver's keeping it tight now. Does that mean it has to blast off to new all-time high? Not necessarily. Because of this slow movement and just in general the way we see metals move, we could easily see another iteration play out over, 10 years or something. Very possible. But whatever you think is going to happen, this chart looks strong as hell. 34 bucks I think is locked in. I think 50. This decade. Who knows? We'll see where tomorrow takes us, right? I'm pull Bitcoin back up, and I'm going to pull the chat back up because I got sidetracked. If you're here, if you said something very interesting or important or smart since I started ranting, can you reiterate so I can read it again? Just put it back in chat. What's up, and what about RSR? Good question. What's up, DJ Johnny 55? Hodl Crew, smash the likes, thank you, man. Ana Vasquez, trying to be the next Roaring Kitty. No. Nah, I'm a crypto guy. I'm not a stock guy. How do I learn to read charts so well? Well, Anna, I've been doing this live for 5 years on YouTube. Was obsessed with charts before that, but we've been streaming live here regularly, publishing content every day for 5 friggin' years on YouTube. A lot of practice. Lots of practice, man. What's up, Bogus Fungus? JM Bullion showing over $34 silver price. All right, maybe I'm not bullish enough. Did silver ever split? What's up, Chester? Cost. Can cost. Break. Cost. Charts on. We'll see. See, I don't want to get distracted. Chat loves smashing that like button. Do we have 420 likes yet? Looks like cost no longer is on Pancake Swap. Is it Costco hot dog? It's Costco hot dog, isn't it? Just confirm for me. What's up, Grateful M? I keep saying Grateful M. Grateful MJP. It looks like IMP. How long have I been in Bitcoin? About 8 years? More than 8 years? Something like that. Loaded up on silver. 15 cents to 45. Let's go, Jesus. Jesus. What's up, Bad Baptist? Colin Clopper. Gold silver run mean a recession on the horizon? I don't know. Let's be real, Colin. It's not crazy to say that, right? This is reasonable thought. However, we have been hearing this. And let me even do it with an example. Let me just put the chart in front of us while I say this. We have been hearing a recession is looming. For how long? Whoa. Hold up. Just moved stuff. There we go. There we go. What's up? Abhe. I see you, Abhe. Keep subscribing, everybody. I appreciate it. How long have we been hearing that a recession is looming? And I will do cost for you, Chester. Is it Costco hot dog? Just let me know. How long? Down here. On the way down. Off of the 21, 22 highs. This is the S&P 500. We were hearing most of that down here.
Resistance. Chart is on Dexter. I don't think it is on TradingView.
This is where we first, this is the first time, like when I started hearing recession. Remember, we were already in a recession. Like, what? This is when, do you guys remember this? You remember this? Off of the highs. We had 3 months of red candles. The definition of a recession was what, 2 red candles quarterlies, or was it just 1? It doesn't matter what it was because they changed the definition to not call it a recession. But that's when we heard that most, like that rhetoric the hardest. Now we're up here at all-time highs. Is a recession looming? We all got to think yes, yet here we are. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but it doesn't seem like the markets are rationally playing along with it, right? I don't know. I kind of doubt it. I was a little worried about S&P's run here when it pulled back. I was thinking maybe it was going to get a lower high. Broke to new all-time high, like, send it again. They say you don't short stocks at all-time high. Send it again. What's up, Julian Jackson, Ivan Cuevas, Aztec 355. What's up, my friends? Welcome. Stay a while. Listen. All right, where was it? Chester. If you say yes, we can do $1,000 giveaway, says Josh Park. You should work with Bybit, says Josh Park. Or Joseph Park. Bybit used to sponsor our channel. Bybit's a great exchange, guys. Nothing wrong with it. I got links in the video description below. If you sign up with any of them, Bybit included, using my link, you'll get access to the VIP, exclusive trading, whatever you want to call it in our Discord, trading group. It's free. All you have to do is use one of those links, Bybit's included. Where was Chesta? Chesta, what did you say? Is it Costco hot dog, man? It says message retracted. Retracted. Don't retract it. Chester, can you clarify? Can you give us a little Costco hot dog? There we go. Pump music, please. Yeah, this song is not jamming as much. Opinion on Bryce, Ian J looking juicy. Do you offer internships? Yeah, of course I do, Bobby. They're unpaid. If you want to join any of the internship program over here at the Tom Crown channel, all you have to do is join the Discord, discord.gg/Tom Crown. Do I have Dex Tools or Dex Screener? Like, I can look it up. I can look it up on there, but if it's Costco hot dog, they have it, I guess. I'll look it up on Dex Screener. All right. You've convinced me. Dex Screeny. Give me a tick. Actually, I don't know what's gonna pop up here. Okay. Costco hot dog. God, you gotta be so careful, guys. Like, another time for me to rant. I won't make it a long one. You gotta be so careful. Looking on Dex Screener, like, I type in cost. We're, I guess, looking for Costco hot dog. Look, 1 Costco hot dog, 2 Costco hot dog, 3 Costco hot dog, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's like 30 Costco hot dogs. All with the same name, all with the same ticker. Same icon. Just gotta be careful. Sick of these memes? Me too, bro. Me too, man. I was sick of the memes before this whole meme thing even. I was already sick of them, but dude, I'm so tired of it. And it's not because I don't know. It's not because, like, it's not a thing of me being like grumpy because I don't have them or whatever. Like, we've seen this before, but it's the frequency and the quantity of them coming out and rugging and coming out. And it's just like, as a creator, I have to have some kind of grasp on what's going on, and it makes it almost impossible because it's like every day there's another 500 new ones. And then a week from now, almost none of those, like, they're all gone. I don't know, man. You're allowed to meme, you're allowed to degen, you know, you can like them, that's fine, man. But, like, I'm just getting tired of looking at these charts with no data and people, I don't know. It's just getting old. It's getting old quick. All right, look at Costco hot dog, which I guess never traded to $1.50. It never went to parity with the Costco hot dog, unfortunately. That's a big L. Big L in his book. All right, let's just mark out our levels. Boom. Monthly 8.5 cents. Let's go. 2.1. Take the all-time high. Ooh, nice. Doesn't sell off into the end of May. Could actually have a decent monthly close. All right, looking at Costco hot dog. Rallying today with the rest of the market. However, where it is not the place to get excited, in my opinion, quite yet. I'll elaborate. coming off of May 17th and 18th candle closes roughly at the high of May 4th. Now, you have good stuff there. You had a high that was sold off. You painted a higher low. You retested that high. Unfortunately, the market rejected. However, you found support at a higher low. I believe that was a monthly level we just marked out at 3.8 cents. And now you're right back here, which could be very exciting. But you got to close the day above 5.8 cents right here. Last hourly close was beautiful. Sold back underneath it. In this hour, it's battling. On today's close, if you're above 5.8, this is looking good. It's looking good easily to 7.2 cents. I would even say back to that 8.4 cents. That looks good. But if you close back below today, and you can see this chart has some habit of specifically even at this price point selling off after having large candles here. You can see even on the way up some selling took place. It's not guaranteed. One sec. Not guaranteed, but if you get a close above, I'm looking for 8.5 cents. There's your cost, Mr. Chester. I'll put this in the Discord. I'll put it in the Discord so you guys can, I don't know, get a better look at it. Can I check STX or Algo? Probably. How you doing, wine drinker? How you doing, man? Wine's pretty good. What's up, Sans Siri? Is it gonna do it? Never does it. It always makes me look like an ass. Bala Chander. There we go. Sinsirki. Siri. Welcome, friend. Welcome. If you could, make sure, double check you've hit that like button. Double check you're subscribed. Sometimes YouTube will unsubscribe you or whatever. It's weird. Let's look at the corn quick while we kind of brainstorm what else we want to do today. What do we want to do with our lives today? Chuck is exploding today, Daniel. Your stream layout looks like a short video, not full screen. Yeah, Daniel's. So you're on the vertical stream. It's supposed to look like this. It's for your phone. I have an idea. Hold up. Supposed to. I know it's confusing. It's a learning curve, guys. We'll get there. If you're on the mobile stream, but you're not on a mobile device, go ahead and click Tom Crown right underneath the video. Right on the channel page, you will find the main stream, 1,000 viewers. Right on. There's me, what a handsome fella. Not enough likes, 250 likes. But you're on this one, so you can navigate over here. If you're over here and you're on a phone, you can navigate over there. It's okay. That's where the party is. What's up, biggest crow factory in Bangladesh? I hope business is good, brother. No worries, my friend. Pith? All right. I saw more than one person say Pith. Will AI coins run with NVIDIA? I don't know. Like, I mean, okay, I can answer that. So when people say, will like coins run with AI? I don't know. As a narrative, yeah, you could get like hype on that narrative. I could see that. That's reasonable. Will that actually be related? No. To my knowledge, guys, there's no such thing as AI coin. In what way does any blockchain meaningfully utilize AI? I'm yet to hear anything. There's lots of projects that claim it, lots of projects with roadmaps that say, oh, this is this and this and that, but like, it's all just narrative. It's all just like a story to tell. It's not unique to AI though. Don't think I'm bashing AI specifically. This is just what happens in crypto. In crypto, you get a narrative, you get hype, and every coin, like it happened in 2017 as well with like, I don't even remember what it was then, proof of stake. Where every coin then is based on that. That's what we're working on, and all these things, but none of them ever deliver. Like nothing ever really comes of them. The fact is, AI does have value with blockchain. They have a future together. They do. But AI will likely use blockchain to verify. Like it will use it as a ledger, as an account, to be able to say, I'm not a living thing with a real memory. I just have data. And so the only data that I can find that is concrete, is, unchangeable, is blockchain data. So will AIs pull from blockchain? Yes. But how does a blockchain AI though the other way? It doesn't make much sense. AI takes a lot of processing power. A lot. You could say, but mining, yeah, mining does too. But blockchain is not the efficient use of that computing power. In decentralization, you trade efficiency for decentralization. It's just a nature of the beast. It's always going to be more efficient for only one person to have all the, the files or whatever, the blockchain. It doesn't really make sense. They tried this with storage, and I said, this is a dumb idea. Storage, another incredibly bad use for a blockchain. You want efficiency. Blockchains aren't for everything. We're in the cycle or the part of crypto still where we're in the it's for everything until we figure out what it is for, right? I don't get it. AI, I don't know. I don't know, man. You can still like your AI coins. They can still go up. They're very reasonably could still be a narrative pump on them as time progresses. Man. There's a lot of promises in crypto. You just got to be careful. You got to be aware of them. Everything promises the moon, but it delivers very little. Anyway, Pith. I can see why people are looking at Pith today. Yesterday's selling candle, bringing us back to major support, 38.3 cents today. Bullish engulfing. It would be very nice to see Pith trade a little bit higher, just a few cents. Just a few cents. Let's go like 48 cents. Close that bullish engulf day. You really got to get about 47. But you got to start putting in a higher high. This is a wonderful reaction. This is exactly what you want from support. You want to see that. Weekly already bullish engulf. Perfect. Break to a higher high, and you're very reasonably looking at 60 cents on Pith. Even to 70 cents. 0.5 to 618. Our zone sits right about here. Very good upside targets. Now entry is going to be harder. Honestly, it was missed. The entry was here. There we go. I like that. Look at this monthly setup, man. Order block, higher high. Back test the order block as support. Close above 50 cents this month, Pith. And I think you're moving to $1 again. Feel good about that. Ooh, a chart I wanted to show you guys, share with you guys. Caspa looking very good. I was critical. I was skeptical. Looking very good now. Let me see. I didn't even read the comments because I'm sure people were triggered by my AI rant. Let me see. We love hot dogs. How we do? Render and near? We can look at render and near. Kudos. What's up, 𝐘𝐞_? What's up, tallest? What's up, double chill? Let me see. I'm just reading the chat. Richard Day, you liked earlier. Thank you. I&J, please. Probably Randy. Love one, bro. Love you, FUD expert. AI everywhere. Exactly, 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐞. AI everywhere. Let me see. Zen uses AI. All right, Pest Killer. So I want to know. Maybe you're not the expert, but we have lots of people here. 1,000 people viewing. How does Zen use AI? I would just want to know. I don't know. It's a buzzword that it is. ICP. Okay. Cap or die. How does ICP use it? Just someone tell me. And I'm not asking for like the nitty gritty. I'm just asking like as a concept. It's AI, but with crypto. Talon, Clopper, it's a great reply. Exactly. Now with crypto, with 50% more crypto. They're all meme coins. Yeah, they really are. ICP AI called out FTX. Mark Sanji. What does that mean? What does that mean? But it's crypto. Dude, Callan, you're my favorite person today. 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞. Like a 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞. What is the nutritional value of the Costco hot dog crypto? That's a good question. Pith had 146% unlock yesterday. That's not great. Sergio, it is what it is, man. I sit here and I will happily be proven wrong and admit that. But tell me how they use it. In what capacity? You have 12 Caspa miners, nice. AI coins already went 10x, 100x. I mean, their charts look good, Stan, back in the day. I mean, we didn't chill them, but like their charts look strong. They went up. What's up, Daniel? You meant Tom, you're eating lunch? No worries, no worries. Hit the like for Tom, thank you, man. MC Talents looking shib. The closest thing, Brave browser. You've been looking for 7 years. 7 years of crypto projects outside of Bitcoin that have real use case. They don't have them. I know, they don't. Well, like I said, we're in the point of the cycle or of the growth of this idea where we're just going to shove everything into every box and we're just going to see what boxes stay shut, what boxes blast open, right? Apparently AI has been demonstrated on ICP. AI running on chain. What does that mean though? Cap or die? Like, and I know, you know, I'm not coming after you, but I think as you type that, you're like, yeah, okay, I kind of see what you're saying. What does that mean? Dunno. I'm open to it, man. I want to say I was wrong. I want to say I misspoke, but I'm not sure. I just don't. I don't think so, man. It's an interesting time. Yes, good. Caspa down in the dumps, but finally maybe looking good here. Looking to close a bullish engulf day today above 12.5 cents. I think that's going to be a great little signal for further upside. Look at this inverse head and shoulders looking to play out at the bottom of a falling staircase-esque decline. I was really looking at this descending channel. However, we got our higher low. We pointed that out in the last stream. That low has held its move higher and arguably painted an even higher local low. I think Caspa very reasonably is going to look for 15 cents, 14.8, 15 cents, very reasonably. If it can get some real gas, the market's moving 17 to 18, retest that all-time high. That's looking good though. Solana, because I know at least 12 people probably have asked about Solana. Or maybe not. Are we done? Are we bored of Solana yet? Doubt it. Solana trading impressively though to $181 right now. Money flow just starting to catch up with that price swing. That weekly is actually looking beastly. Wow. Make some progress. Maybe we can get to 109.7 today with your help. Keep smashing it. Smashing. All right, what do we look at next? 𝐂𝐸𝐞. Oh, wow, we have call bots. All right, well, if you're call bots, spam it harder, call bots. Do it. I need to see more. I need to see more unique names and accounts saying call. I need to see more. I need more. It's not enough. It's not enough. More. I need at least like 2 times that many. 1.7 times that many. All right, whatever, man. Call it. Keep it going. Don't stop. I didn't say stop. I didn't say stop. Maybe that could be our thing now. Like when I'm looking at a chart, everybody like spams that chart. Like when I have Bitcoin up, you like spam Bitcoin. I like caw, crow with knife, then you spam caw, you know? That makes sense. You know, is this crow with knife? Crow with knife. Crow with knife. With knife. I thought there was more history. Wrapped Chronos. Caw people. Where do you trade caw? Where is it? Where will I find the longest history? CEO. That's not right. Yeah, they did miss. It should have been 𝐂𝐸𝐞. I agree. Where do we look at it? Google crow with knife. I mean, I could Google it, but I want the chart, man. Nobody knows. Let me see. I'm looking it up. VVS Finance. I was right. VVS. Why did it just start trading? This is weird. What's happening with this? Why do these have such small histories? This was trading it like a few days ago. Crow with knife. There we go. Is this it? Is this it? Is this the call? This is the call. The call. Is this all of it? Yeah, you guys gotta tell me. I don't know. Did it? What? It didn't just get listed because that was a VVS is probably like a DEX. I don't know. There's just like new pairs on the DEX. I'm not really that familiar. Man, says call. It'd be funny if these were all real people in real life. If we were like filming this live in front of a studio audience and everybody was just going call. Like that would be good content. Cacao. There's really not a lot of data. There is not a lot to work with, my 𝐂𝐞 peeps. What are we at? 531, 9451, 618 retracement. This was also your support after your all-time high. Lower high, you fell. Great spot to look for a back test. If you lose May's low, you do have some falling to do. You got some pain. You haven't lost it though. Just given both sides of the directional here.
Can I get your macro and macro outlook on that?
On vet, sure, my guy. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Discord rating. Please don't send any bots to our Discord. If you're real people, you can join, man, but like, don't. Sending bots to the Discord is just gonna make me not want to look at call. Anyway, there's not a lot of history here. It's hard to work with. I think this level gets tested. If you lose May's low, you're looking at like 2455. It's like a 50% drop or a 50% gain. 75% gain, 50% drop. There's an R there. I don't really know what else to do. There's no not enough charting for me. Not enough chart here to do much. I think this looks good though. There you go. Martin's real. Martin's real. There you go. I didn't call. Was it vet? Yeah, dude. We haven't looked at VeChain in a while. It was popping there. It was slapping and just chilled out. Not the worst though, man. I haven't looked at this clearly on the weekly for a while. Not the worst. Look at this bleed. I like that. Moves up, bleeds down, kind of like a 45-degree angle. Nice descending parallel channel. Does seem last week, if we get a higher high into this week, that we have a reversal, at least on a lower time frame or locally. And that reversal is coming from roughly all of the highest points on this chart. All of these bear market highs right there. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Higher low, higher high. Paint your higher low here. Hold it right there. That's a resistance flip to support. You're looking for higher moves. Looking for more up. The monthly probably shows this better. Order block here on the month. Higher high. Come on down to test it. That's not bad. If VeChain breaks 5.5 cents here in the next coming months, the immediate upside target will be 7.8 cents. You get that looking left, basically. This is your major resistance, I would say. Was your support after your all-time high into your lower high, your break into the bear market. You back tested that support as resistance, moved into the bear market low. Now you're climbing back up. 7.8 cents. Good target. Yeah, I like that. Let's see. I don't know, man. We slapped VeChain real hard. We hit this trade so hard from 2.6 cents. Oh, and long again, 3.4. I think it's going to play. Why can't I copy it? I'll copy it if I damn well want. Yeah. Yeah, man. 5.1. This looks like it wants to break to the upside. Maybe not quite yet. It looks like it wants to resolve up. Might take a while. Might take the rest of the week. If you lose here, 2.6 cents back to the previous long, you don't want to lose that. It's rolling over real slow. Real slowly. I think this looks good, though. I think it's unlikely to trade below 2.6 cents. I think it's going to move back to 5 first. What about this? FFIE, this gibberish. Does anybody care about this anymore? Is this over? Is it over? Doesn't look over. Wouldn't that be crazy if this rallied again, like another 10,000%? Let's see what it is back to its all-time high. I don't even know what this is. It's a stock, clearly. Of some kind. It can't be crypto. It's way too old. Maybe a 132,000% move back to its all-time high. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Keep dreaming. Inside bar candle there. Do we care about this? I don't know. Everyone cared about it for like a minute. It doesn't look bad though. Unlike, say, GME and AMC, it made this run. GME and AMC all did this immediately after. They made the wizard hat. This thing might be flagging. Might take a little more time to mature. What's up, Fabio? It's been a while. Since last you got to ask for a coin, Tezos. You got your eyes on a new one. Alright. Orca, have you subscribed? If you subscribe, I'll pull that up for you. I gotta see it pop up. What's up, Josh Richards, my guy? Good to have you here. Rij Novinu, Doran, Brazilian Monkey, Ashok MLM, Manny Kadan, Sudip, Manuel, Giga. Nice, bunch of good names. Thoughts on Maker. Wizard Hat, yep, I already trademarked it while we were live here. I think the music stopped. Hold up. Oh, it didn't stop. My headphones turned off again. What is happening? Or no? There we go. There you go. What was I looking at? Was it secret, dude? For you, man, I'll do it. SCRT. Skirt. Oh, Secret. I know Secret. I know Secret Network. I know, what's his name that works there? I know, like, the main dude. I know the main guy. Oof. Ooh, that has seen better days. Ooh, a lot more history. Wow. What to say? Held its low. This is the problem. This is the worry. This is like immediately what my brain sees. Do you see it? Remember, what is that guy's name? Cool dude. He's like the main guy at Secret. I don't remember. I met him in, actually in Texas, I think, in 22. That's an ugly monthly close. I need to see Secret above 37.9. Do not want to see this monthly close red. That's ugly. Momentum potentially rejecting on the monthly time frame. Not great to see down there, but not surprising when you get a close like that. Potentially painting bullish divergence on your weekly low if you hold it. That weekly is really slowly moving over too, rolling over too. I think you see short-term upside. It's just dangerous, man. It's dangerous. I'm worried that you just get this right shoulder painted. $60 to $63 up here. You're doing something similar to here. You got the rip. You're likely going to see the rip. Position from here, I probably would end up trying to bail at 49 cents. Not going to lie. Just under 50. Let's do down here. There you go, man. Yeah, that chart's seen better days. It's seen better days. Bitcoin's still holding on while we hold on. Still got great viewership. Still got 1,000 viewers on the big stream. 88 on the small stream. It's gorgeous. Steve subscribed. What's up, Steve? Gabriel. Good to see you guys. GRT Ondo Eth. Alright, let's just pull up some stuff. I really wanted Bitcoin to break out here. I think it's still going to, but it's waiting for us to end the stream as it does. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, you should. Discord.gg/TomCrown. You can get exclusive VIP access in there for free if you use any of my links. Ethereum just moving slow. Let's see. Oof. Ugh. I don't think Ethereum's out of the woods yet, boys. Yeah, Ethereum looks like it wants to... It looks like it wants to dump like 50% against Bitcoin. That's wild. Guess I'm still waiting for Ethereum to hit 2,700. That is my long signal. It may not reach there. It is slowly climbing up with the rest of the market. Honky. Honky. Honkatay. Honkatay. Ooh, nice. Oh, wow. All right. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Honky. Let's give it 60 cents. 60 cents is our measured move from our macro. Swing low, high, swing high, swing low. It is also... Oh, that actually... No, that isn't right. One sec. That is... What I just said is correct. I was about to say something else, but that would not be correct. Oh, man. Measured move here locally only at 45 cents. I think you end up seeing this. Something like that. I can very, very much see this going to 60 cents, though. Oh, shit. I'm pretty sure I bought some back here. So I bought some at like 7 cents. Cool. I'm up 5x, something like that. Cool. It was like $100. I'm rich. I can quit streaming now. I can quit. I'm rich. I'll pull up some charts and that you guys want to see. Render. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. Render. BTC trade filled. Not stopped. Nice. USD trade, man, this is taking forever. Still where it is. No change on render. Near. You would still stream. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝 guy. What else would I be doing, bud? What else would I be doing? Near, honestly, the same thing as render. Just continues this slow, strong move. Still looking for 13. I mean, $9 should have already hit. 13.30. Near unchanged. LTC someday. Would I quit though? When I hit a certain amount of money, I won't quit, but I'll just, you know, not have to treat it like a business. Fetch, 𝐂𝐨𝐼𝐲. Some base like 𝐂𝐨𝐿𝐼 could be cool. Yeah, I say this every time. I check Litecoin all the time, but I don't just randomly show you guys Litecoin when nothing's happened, like when nothing's like moved or changed. called us 80 bucks was right. It's just moved sideways. You're just stuck in this sideways range. I still think it's moving to 94, 95. But no real change. As soon as that changes, you'll be the first to know. I will not let you hear the end of it. When Litecoin moons, I'm floating on my beautiful Litecoin bagloons. You'll never hear the end of it. Today's not that day. Pepe, almost filled. I'll count that as filled. Pepe long. Looks like it filled on yesterday's wick. What else? What else? Take any alerts? Gold props. Silver. Honky. How do you even say it? Honky? Honky Ponky. Phantom. BCH LTC, your favorite for the cycle? Whew. Salute to a fellow OG out there who's been waiting. Why am I skipping the can do comments? Why? Do you see all the spam? Are you trying to accumulate more before telling others about it? That is, you are lost, good sir. You are lost. You don't know where you are right now, do you? Did you hit your head earlier? Maybe. SCI. SCI's seen better days. I'm looking at 66 cents on SCI, pretty easy. Man, that looks bad. Indian Mart, what's up, man? Tarun, Raj. Ah, Ken Do did subscribe. What's up, my brother? Dominic Mandy. Steve of the Mountains. What's up? Baskar, Bugata. Good names. Good names. Good names. No, I did not buy. Adult, you shouldn't be getting homework anymore. But you are. After this live stream, we published another free educational trading video. Another one. This one has a pretty whale as a thumbnail. This is like number 14 in our free trading series. Check it out. Watch them. Subscribe, like, comment, hype them, share them. You know the deal, guys. These are awesome videos. They're free. They won't be free forever. At some point, they'll be paywalled. But you can check them all out now. So go do some learning. Get some learn on while the corn bakes. It's going to be good. All right, Jack, here you go. There you go. There it is. TRB at the very end. Definitely joining the Discord right on. Well, not many people are gonna have better calls on 𝐘𝐨 than that, man. That's gonna be hard. TRB, there you go. Not very exciting. Join the Discord. You can follow me on Twitter. Watch those videos. Spread them like wildfire. They're not gonna be free forever, so get them out there. That's all, fam. I'll see you in the Discord. Sign up with those partners. Shout out to 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐼 and MetaSignals, our sponsors. They are the best. Claim your 1 month risk-free trial with 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐼. Use my link. Love you, fam. I will see you Wednesday for the FOMC minutes. That's all. A crown?